Alrighty, so hey guys, so there is no class again today. So you are going to be working on something very similar to what you did yesterday. This is called geometric sequencing. And the only difference between this and arithmetic sequencing is adding or subtracting by the same amount every time. And geometric sequencing is multiplying by the same thing every time. That's the only difference. So you're going to do something very similar today. You're going to be watching the videos in Khan Academy. They're going to be your teacher. And then you can do some practice problems in here. And then I really want you to work on the formulas. So you are going to be working through this. And then once again, there's a quick little USA test prep assignment to do some practice. And that is what you are doing today. If you need anything, you can email me. I will have access to my email in the afternoon after testing. Other than that, good luck, guys. You're going to be amazing, and I can't wait to see you again.